Hello and welcome to Old Dutch Railroad. I'm Jeff, and this is my permanently under construction layout. Now I'm coming to you live for the first time in 2 years doing this. Why, I don't know, but here we are. I'm sure you don't want to look at me. I don't want to look at me, but here we are. So I like to do these little videos to provide updates and what's happening on the layout, maybe featuring a particular technology, maybe a scene, or what have you. Up to now I've included 40-foot well cars in the layout. Intermodal transport is very popular and important in today's railroads, and adding the different cars and different containers and their colors and sizes between 20 and 40 foot adds a lot of visual interest to the layout. However, I wanted to try out some 53-foot cars just to see how they would look on the layout. Just a couple of weeks ago, I found a really good deal on some Walther's mainline 53-foot well cars and decided to pick them up. Now, these are unique in that they're articulated 53-foot well cars, meaning that the three cars share a set of trucks between them. These particular well cars were manufactured by National Steel Company, and given the sequence numbers on the cars, in this case 767008, they probably entered service around 2012, and we can still see them in use today. The video I took here is representative of the cars, but it's not these specifically. The Walther's mainline series offers fine detail, very sturdy construction, and they are ready to roll. So let's take a look. One thing as I looked these over, it was driving me quite crazy, is just looking at the website, I thought for sure one car was shorter than the others. We've all seen that optical illusion, challenging us to find which line is longer than the others. I thought my mind was playing tricks on me, but it's all good. So I've had this package for like 3 weeks waiting to do this video, and now it is finally time. So I've probably opened this package like 8 times just to take a look this far. So here we go. Yes, they're all the same length as we stated. This is great. Here we go. First car. Package for shipping. It's great. It's got the metal on there. You can see us where one of the articulated units will connect. See all the detail on there. This is looking really, really good. You can even smell new rail car. Pretty excited. A lot of great detail. So let's see what the other ones have in store. Here's the middle unit. The packaging, more the same, and of course no trucks, as they'll use the other ones in there as well. And contestant number 3. Sweet. Those are some pretty good looking cars. I'm excited. Now that we have them all out, let's get them on the rails for a little audition. There you go. First car down, center car. Fits in there just too sweetly. And of course, we're going to need the rear put on there. And can't use my railer because of the unique nature of these bad boys. A bit tricky. There you go. Look at that. Looking good. So a little tight right here. This particular section is a up-and-coming small intermodal yard under construction because it's being expanded in my little mind, and gives us a nice spot just to check these guys out. You know what the problem is? I don't have any containers. It fits. Well, I'm really excited to add the 53-foot well cars into the layout. There is one concern. When you have these length of cars, or anything that exceeds a typical car length, you're going to be challenged with your curve radius. This particular section is built at about an 18-inch radius, too short and too tight for these larger cars. If you have anything less than 24 inches, you're going to be faced with derailments and other frustrations that's just going to drive you a little bit crazy. And I've got this on the layout, but that's okay. I've got some plans to rework this and expand the tabletop layout, so it'll be fine. However, if we look through the bottom of the well car here on one particular curve, you can see that how far the car is offset from the track. And that poses problems and causes derailments. Also, on the well cars, you can see that due to the shared trucks, the distance between the cars are very short and causes this little pinch point. I've had problems with this too, and it's caused derailments on the layout. So for now, I'll spare you the agonizing video of numerous derailments and other issues due to our long cars and short curve radius. But for now, we'll just enjoy running some trains, experimenting with the 53-foot containers, and continuing to refine the layout. After all, that's what this is all about.